This is MQTT. This is the simplest example I can think of this MQTT protocol. This MQTT is this gold and silver broker, and this MQTT broker both works similarly. On daily basis, I'm selling and selling and buying this gold from the clients and selling to the customer. So it is very much relatable to my profession, and hence I was able to explain it so much clearly to you. Hello everyone, now in this video I'll be explaining you all about MQTT protocol. I'll be talking about how MQTT works, what are the different terms involved in this MQTT, and the interesting part is I'll be explaining this MQTT protocol by making a story based on my real life experiences. So the story will be interesting and informative. So watch this video till the end and I will let you know everything about this MQTT protocol. So let's get started. Okay, so before explanation, let me give you a background of myself. Basically, I am a gold and silver broker. I'm running a gold and silver jewelry retail shop in my town. So this is all you need to know right now about myself. So let's get into this MQTT protocol and let's understand this by the gold and silver examples. Okay, so MQTT. First of all, MQTT stands for Message Queue Telemetry Transport. The full form is not at all important, but still you need to know. It is Message Queue Telemetry Transport. Let me write here. It is Message Queue Telemetry Transport. First of all, what is MQTT? MQTT is a messaging protocol. What is messaging protocol? With the messaging protocol, you can understand like our social media apps like WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook. They all are messaging application. Okay, so we are sending some messages and we are receiving some messages. Same, this is a messaging protocol or data transfer protocol. And why it is so popular? Because first of all, it is very lightweight. Okay, lightweight in the sense it requires very less amount of data to transfer the whole information, and secondly it is very low powers. Okay, so it is preferred for low power application and low power microcontrollers just like our ESP8266 boards. So with this lightweight protocol and low power protocol, this is very popular in the IoT field, in the microcontroller field. So this is all about MQTT right now. So let's start understanding how this protocol works. Okay, so before explaining MQTT, I will be explaining about my work. Okay, so here I am. Let me show you. Okay, so here I am, a gold slash silver broker. So here is my position in the market right now. I'm a gold and silver broker. I purchase gold from my clients. I sell gold to my customers. So this is my duty. Okay, so let's take an example. I have one client which is client 1. Let's take an example of client 1. Okay, so client 1 is my client who sends me the information about gold and silver rates. See, gold and silver and stock market, it's like the rate changes in every minute. So we need to be very careful with the gold and silver rates to make a decision of purchasing and selling the metal. Okay, so I have one client one who gives me the rate of gold slash silver at a fixed interval of time. So whenever the rate changes, he just gives the data to me. He just inform me the rates. Okay, so he basically sends me the rates of gold rate and he sends me the silver rate. So this is the client 1. Okay, so I am getting information of gold and silver rates. This is clear. This is not at all rocket science. Okay, so on the other side I have my customers. Let's suppose I have my 3 customers. This is client 2 for example. This is client 3 for example, and this is client 4 for example. Okay, so there are 3 clients which are my customers. Okay, so as a retail shop I am buying something from my market and I'm selling to the customers. Okay, so this is my duty. So client 2, here is client 2. Let's take example that he is only interested in purchasing the gold ornaments. Okay, so here client 2, he is only interested in gold ornaments. So he is waiting for a fixed or a suitable price for himself or herself to make a purchase decision. Okay, so if he or she get a perfect or reasonable, a budget friendly price of the gold, he will be very much interested in buying gold ornaments from me. Okay, So what my duty is, I need to send this client to the gold rates time to time, as to inform him or her about the current scenario of gold market. Okay, so as soon as he gets the perfect price, he will let me know and he will come to my shop and he will buy the ornaments. Okay, so this is all about client 2. Here let's take example, client 3 has a similar case of like client 2, but he is much interested in silver. He must be interested in making the silver ornaments rather than gold. So what my duty here is, I need to send the silver rates to client 3 time to time. Okay, and for example, we have other client who is interested in both gold and silver. Okay, so client 4 may be interested in making the ornaments for both gold and silver. So what my duty comes here is, I need to send client 2 the gold rates, client 3 the silver rates, and client 4 the gold and silver rates both. Okay, so let's take an example. Now here let me put one term called subscribe. Okay, subscribe. So subscriber is a very common terms nowadays. You all are my subscribers. Okay, so you all subscribe to my channel because you all are interested in watching my videos, and that's why you subscribe, right? Okay, so here client 2 is interested in gold. Okay, gold rates. So what he will do, he will subscribe to, let's take an example, gold channel. As you are subscribed to techiesms channel, client 2 is subscribed to gold channel, and client 3 will be subscribed to silver channel, and client 4 will be subscribed to gold and silver both channel. Okay, are you clear with this term subscribe? They are interested in this particular thing, and hence they subscribe to this channel, gold channel, silver channel, gold and silver channel both. Okay, got it? So here is the term subscribe. Now what happens, let's see this in action. Client 1, okay, client 1 has let's suppose at 10 a.m. he sent me the rate of gold. Okay, at particular time, not this 10 a.m. is just for example, at particular time interval t, he sent me the rates of gold. Okay, so I received the gold rate right now. Now what my duty is, I need to send that gold rate to those who are interested, to those who are subscribed to gold channel. Got it? So what I will do, I will just pass on that same information to client 2, the same information to client 4. I won't be transferring that data to client 3 because he is not at all interested in gold. Okay, so this is my duty. I just received the data, I will just transfer the data to both the clients. Now at another time interval t1, the client 1 sent me the silver rates. Okay, he sent me the silver rate. Now what my duty is, I need to tell the silver rates to those who are subscribed to the silver channel. Okay, very simple. So I will just transfer this information to client 3 and client 4. I won't be transferring to client 2 because it's not at all interested. Okay, so this is the current scenario. This is it about MQTT. Okay, let's first thoroughly understand this, and I will jump over to the MQTT. I'm a gold and silver broker. I'm receiving gold and silver rates, and I'm transferring the gold and silver rates to those who are interested, to those who are subscribed. Very, very easy. Let's switch this particular example to the current MQTT protocol example, or the practical MQTT protocol, working. So this is the gold and silver broker. Let's switch it to MQTT broker. Just try to relate the things. I am a gold and silver broker. He is a MQTT broker. Simple. Okay, here is the client 1. Let's suppose the client 1 is, this is client 1, which is here it was gold and silver. He's just transferring the rates or data of gold and silver. Let's take an example. This is DHT11 sensor. Client 1 is a DHT11 sensor. So what he will do, he will just transfer the rates or the data of temperature and humidity. Simple. DHT11 sensor is a temperature and humidity sensor. So client 1 is a DHT sensor. He is sending the data to the MQTT broker, the data about temperature and humidity, just like client 1 sending the rates of gold and silver. This is again simple. Let's take another, let's move it forward. So here I have 3 clients. Here it was gold, silver and gold and silver. So what I have here is the client 2, which is interested in temperature. He is the client 3, which is interested in what we can say humidity. And here is the client 4, which is interested in temperature as well as humidity. So what are these clients? These clients are just, for example, microcontroller boards. For take an example, this is an ESP266 board with who is much interested in temperature data, because he must be controlling the speed of fan or speed of AC, anything like that. So he needs the temperature data. This particular controller needs the humidity data, and this particular needs both temperature and humidity data. You are able to relate this with my customers. Okay, these are the clients of this MQTT brokers. So what will happen as soon as the client one, okay, before that the term subscribe. As I told, these gold, silver and gold, silver are channel. These clients are subscribed to these channels. But in MQTT protocols, these channels, the channel are termed as topics. Okay, so what he will do, the client 2 will be subscribed to temperature topic. It is not called as channel. I just gave an example because it is easy to relate. You know, subscribing a channel is very much easy to relate. Okay, and hence I give an example of channel. But practically, the channel is termed as topics in this MQTT protocol. So it is subscribed to temperature topic. Okay, this is subscribed to humidity topic, and this is subscribed to temperature and humidity, both topics. Okay, and client can subscribe multiple topics at a time, so it is not an issue in this MQTT protocol. Okay, and what he is doing, he is sending the data, or we can say publishing. Here comes the term publishing. He is publishing the data and they are subscribed. So publish and subscribe, clear? Okay, so he is publishing the data in temperature as well as humidity topics. I think I'm able to, make it clear. Client 1 is publishing to temperature and humidity topics. Client 2 is subscribed to temperature topic. Client 3 is subscribed to humidity topic. Client 4 subscribed to temperature and humidity, both topics. So whenever client 1 sends the temperature data, what MQTT broker will do, it will pass on the same information, the same data to those who are subscribed to temperature. In this case, client 2 and client 4. When client 1 sends the humidity data, MQTT broker will pass on the humidity data to the one who are subscribed to humidity topics. So here in case it is client 3, client 4. This is MQTT. This is the simplest example I can think of this MQTT protocol. And what can be more simple than this? This MQTT, this gold and silver broker and this MQTT broker both works similarly. Hence, I was able to make it more clear to all of you, because on daily basis I'm selling and buying this gold from the clients and selling to the customer. So it is very much relatable to my profession, and hence I was able to explain it so much clearly to you. I hope you got the idea of this MQTT protocol. Okay, so based on this MQTT protocol, you can make many interesting projects. For just like this example, in this example is basically temperature or humidity monitoring devices. Okay, so basically I can monitor temperature and humidity data with the help of MQTT broker on my smartphone. Okay, I can able to monitor. Other than that, you can make projects like controlling home appliances with using MQTT protocol, in which what you will do is, here is the MQTT broker. Okay, so here is the microcontroller, let's say ESP. Okay, here is the relay and here is the bulb. Okay, I'm sorry about the diagram. Okay, so and here is my smartphone. Okay, so from my smartphone, if I click on this on button, it will send the on data to particular relay topic. Okay, and this ESP is also subscribed to relay topic, so he will also receive this on information, and after this, as soon as he receives the on information, it will turn on the bulb. And if it is passing this off information on this topic, it will also receive the off information on this topic, and it will bulb will turn off. So this is how you can make the home automation projects using this MQTT protocol. If you want to make, if you are interested in making that project, I have made 2 videos for this project. Before that, let me tell you one more thing. Here MQTT broker can be a local broker or it can be a global broker. In local broker, you can control appliances within the range of Wi-Fi router. Okay, while in global broker, you can control from anywhere in the world. Okay, so I made a project both on local and global brokers. For global brokers, I have used this Adafruit MQTT broker, and for this local, I have used this Raspberry Pi board which has Mosquito MQTT broker running. Okay, for both the projects, I will attach the tutorial video links in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and watch that video. Even I made this particular project tutorial video on monitoring multiple sensors data using this MQTT protocol. So I will attach this link also in the description of this video. So yeah, I hope you find this explanation very interesting, and I hope you got all the idea about how MQTT protocol works. So yeah, this is it about this video, and let me know on what other topics should I make this explained kind of videos. That may be a technology, that may be a sensor, that may be a controller, that may be anything related to electronics. Do let me know your suggestion in the comment section below, and subscribe my channel if you haven't, to learn more interesting explained videos and also more interesting projects coming up on my channel. So yeah, wait for my next video. Until then, explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.